Welcome to the step-by-step walkthrough on how to apply to MSU Denver using the Roadrunner application. Whether you're a first-time college student or a transfer student, we'll walk you through the process to ensure your application is submitted smoothly. Let's get started. First, head to the MSU Denver admissions application website at connect.msudenver.edu/apply. If you've logged in or started an application before, select Login under Returning Users. If this is your first time applying, you'll need to create an account. Select Create an Account under First Time Users. Input your email address, first and last name, and birth date. You will be prompted to enter a temporary PIN. This will be sent to the email address you provided. We recommend using a personal email instead of a student email so that you do not lose access after you graduate. After inputting your PIN, you will be able to set your password. Scroll down and click Start New Application. Select Bachelor's Undergraduate Level for the type of application and click Create Application. The first section asks for your personal information, things like your name, date of birth, and contact details. Be sure to double-check that all the information is correct, as MSU Denver will use this information to stay in touch with you throughout the admissions process. Under Citizenship Information, if you do not have a social security number, do not enter anything in the box. Instead, enter your country of birth for primary citizenship. Next, we want to know a little bit about your academic background and MSU Denver Plans. For any college classes taken while in high school, like concurrent or dual enrollment, answer yes that you have attended other colleges for credit. If you have not graduated from high school, there is an option for you to select that you've earned a GED. Provide the state and date of where and when your GED was awarded. Now, let's move on to the academic history section. Here, you'll enter information about the high school or any colleges you've attended. This is where students sometimes get stuck, so make sure you have your school names and graduation dates handy. You'll want to scroll to the bottom of the page and select Add Institution. Begin typing the name of your school in the search bar and select it from the list. You will then add the dates of when you attended this school. If you are a transfer student, you will do the same for any colleges you've attended. You will want to repeat this step for every institution you attended before applying to MSU Denver. Next, we come to the residency section. This part is especially important because it determines whether you will pay in-state or out-of-state tuition. If you are less than 23 years old, answer the residency questions as if you were your parents. If you're a Colorado resident, be sure to provide accurate information about how long you've lived in the state. The College Opportunity Fund provides a tuition stipend for eligible students who are Colorado residents. We encourage you to select Yes, apply for COF on my behalf if you are a Colorado resident. Authorizing a lifetime use of your COF stipend means that you will not have to reauthorize it every semester. If you're a DACA or undocumented student, you'll need to select the appropriate status in the citizenship section. Select Yes if you are currently in the U.S., even if you are a citizen of another country. Selecting No will classify you as an international student. Select Dreamer/DACA/undocumented under your current status in the U.S. This next section includes a few of our student resources available to you. Select any that apply to you or that you will like to know more about so that we can connect you with the right resources on campus so that you can be successful in your college journey. Once you've completed all the sections, review your application carefully. Make sure everything looks correct, especially your residency information and academic history. When you're ready, provide your full name in the signature bar to confirm that the application you have filled out is factually correct. Once you are finished, select Submit. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation email from MSU Denver. Congratulations! You've completed your application to MSU Denver. Next, keep an eye on your email for updates from the admissions office. If you have questions or need to connect with us, please contact us at 303-556-3058 or email us at admissions@msudenver.edu. Thanks for applying, and we hope to see you on campus soon.